From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Welcome to the final Wednesday afternoon forecast comm shift. I'm student meteorologist Laura Shedd here with your latest Campus Weather Service forecast. To start, we're going to take a live look over Beaver Stadium. And unfortunately, those clouds have returned. We saw some really great breaks yesterday, a lot of blue sky. But for the most part, those clouds are back. Temperatures currently sitting right now at 27 degrees, but those winds have finally gone calm, so we are still feeling like 27 degrees. Current satellite and radar shows not too much of anything here in State College aside from those clouds, but as we head out west, though, a lot of lake effect bands are moving in, especially coming off of Lake Erie. We've got a good motion of some swirling action happening over the lake itself. Pittsburgh, though, definitely seeing a pretty decent amount of snow showers for the late morning. A few scattered snow showers down in the Philadelphia area, but across much of the central part of the state, though, we really are staying clear, aside from a few clouds scattered throughout. So now, continuing on with the temperatures, here's Sarah.
Thanks, Laura. Looking at our current temperatures out here, we have 28 here in State College and in the high 20s for the rest of central Pennsylvania. Zooming out, looking at the rest of the state, we have 29 here in Pittsburgh, 33 up in Erie, 31 down in Philadelphia. Looking at our current wind chill temperatures, not much wind here in State College, which is a great break from the last few days where the winds have been really kicking up. However, we do have a lot of wind off of Lake Erie, bringing down that temperature there. And down in Philadelphia, actually feeling more like 26 because of the wind coming off of the Atlantic. Next, we have Patrick with what you can expect with precipitation in the next couple of days.
Thank you, Sarah. Some of those cold temperatures will be dropping as we head into the latter half of the week. But first, today, we do have to get through a few clouds this evening. Notice the wind direction. I do want you to pay attention to that as we head into the next couple of motions here. But first, today, at 7 p.m., we do expect the clouds to hang around just a little bit for central Pennsylvania, but then they start to build in overnight into tomorrow morning. So by your 10 a.m. classes, well, you'll be seeing some clouds over most of State College, but then things begin to change later on Thursday afternoon and early Thursday evening because we have a weak cold front moving into the area, which is going to bring a good chance for some snow showers across most of northwestern and western Pennsylvania. So we do expect a little bit of accumulation with this, but not much. So it'll be more of a nuisance snow if you don't like the snow. But if you like the snow, it'll be one of those calming, refreshing snows where you can sit by the fireplace, look out your window, drink some hot cocoa. You know, the kind of things we like to do here in Pennsylvania during the winter. But first, we're going to let this move through by tomorrow night, 10:30 p.m. Most of the snow will be moving out of the area. However, we do have a chance for a few scattered snow showers. But notice the wind direction. It has changed because it was a weak cold front coming in, so we have a northwesterly wind, which means we will be cooling off overnight tomorrow night and into Friday morning. And that's going to be the final day of our classes. But first, some people do have some travel plans coming up this weekend because, well, it is finals week next week, and not everybody has finals. I envy you. However, we do have a low pressure system moving into the southeastern portion of the United States. It will bring rain and a sloppy mess to most of the southeast on Saturday, but then moving into Sunday, things begin to change for the mid-Atlantic. More snow, a chance for some snow and wintry precip move into Virginia and North Carolina, so that is something you will have to pay attention to if you are traveling to those areas as winter break travel commences this weekend. So by 5 o'clock Sunday morning, we do expect the snow to move into Virginia and then continue to move northward. However, that will stop at the Maryland, right around the Maryland-Virginia border, because we do have a high pressure building in over the Atlantic, which will keep us dry and very calm for this weekend. So we don't have to worry about the system moving into central Pennsylvania for this weekend. So we will remain dry, calm, and relatively weather-free in terms of precipitation this weekend as you study for your finals. But if you are heading south, do be aware of the snow and wet conditions in those areas. So Kayla has the forecast for your next couple of days here in State College coming up next.
Thank you, Patrick. So today, let's look at our temperatures. We have a pretty brisk, cool day in the mid-30s, mostly cloudy with some stray snow showers possible throughout our Wednesday. Then going into our evening hours, we have a dropping temperature going into the mid-20s, so it's going to be a lot cooler in these evening hours. Now, as we go into our Thursday, we have similar temperatures going to be in the mid-30s, clouds remaining again throughout the day with possibility of snow showers in the evening hours, so make sure you look out for that. Now to Rob Johnson for your 7-day forecast.
Thank you so much, Kayla. And this is our final broadcast on the Penn State Campus Weather Service. We'll have a special message for you, but first, your 7-day forecast. So for today, a high of 33 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Watching out for some snow showers tomorrow in the evening and nighttime hours at 36. Friday, only a high of 30 degrees as the passage of a cold front comes through. Some peaks of sunshine, but overall pretty cloudy. Saturday and Sunday, looks like we're staying dry, as we talked about earlier. We're still in the 30s. And then for Monday and Tuesday, a little bit warmer and a little bit more sunshine. I'm Robert Johnson, and from all of us here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service, we're wishing you a happy holidays.